So what I really love about this unit, guys, is it's all here. Once you're finished with it, fold it all up, pack it all up, tuck it away, zip it up, then off you go. Flaming awesome. G'day gang, Skypilot here. Welcome to my channel. I've got the BetaFPV Advanced Starter Kit here. Check out my previous video of this unit, unboxing, text, specs, etc. This has everything you need should you want to get into the FPV hobby. You got your cool little bind and fly set up here, remote, you got your goggles, SD card recording for your DVR, cool little 75 here, two 450 lipos, and all the bits and bobs. I won't talk about it too much. I'm going to get straight in, record some DVR footage for you with the goggles, and let you guys decide whether or not you think it's a good kit. If you're getting into the sport, I don't think you can go wrong. It's all there, and you just need a place to fly it. Thanks for stopping by, Skypilot. BetaFPV, let's go. Okay, I'll just have a scoot around first. I've got this set to level, which is a really good setting for the beginner. Range of this is actually quite acceptable. I can just about get to the other side of the field there before it gets a little bit sketchy. And it's certainly no slug either, as you guys can see. It scoots around the place quite nicely. Like I said before, guys, if you are looking at getting into this hobby, this is a really good place to start. Nice and fun. I've given this thing a few knocks and it's still going, which is pretty good. And when I say knocks, I have given it a couple of fairly decent whacks, guys, so the frame is quite flexible, which is really good. And we'll see if we can get out from under here. We can. The frame is nice and flexible, so yeah, it can withstand those smacks without actually cracking. And it comes with some spare props, which is always handy. And let's see how far we can actually range it. So see if we can get to the other side of that oval there without it breaking up too much. It's probably about our limit right there, and I think that's certainly more than enough to worry about. Let's go for a bit of a punch out if I can get a bit closer. Not too sure where my DVR is going there. Okay, up we go. Not too far, as I've just lost sight. Okay. I'll bring it home for a little bit of line of sight footage before we finish up. As I said, 2 batteries come with this, which is pretty decent. And I have set it on level. You can do some horizon, acro flying, etc. Quick bit of line of sight, guys. Yeah, a good place to start if you guys want to get into your FPV whoop flying. There you go. One big crash to the ground and it just bounces straight back up again. Very handy. This thing can move along, as you guys can see. Certainly no kids whoop. More than capable of exciting the nerves. Steady flyer as well. You can fly it with a bit of wind, however it's certainly a more pleasurable experience without the wind. Some pretty decent flight times from this 451C. Okay, I suspect we're getting low on power now. Quick fly around guys, BetaFPV Advanced Starter Kit. Let us know what you think, gang. Description below, smash that thumbs up. I'm going to be giving this unit away pretty soon, so hit that bell, keep on my channel. I'm going to be running a short competition and I'm going to give the whole kit and caboodle away to a lucky winner. So stay tuned for that, that's coming up this week. Thanks for stopping by. BetaFPV. Cracker. See you later. There you have it, gang. Quick outdoor flight of the BetaFPV. As I said guys, link down below. This thing is a tough little unit. You can smash it and bash it and crash it as much as you like, and it certainly takes the hard knocks, and it's also a hell of a lot of fun.